Today, we're diving into the magical world of companion planting, which is the practice of planting different crops close together to create a thriving and balanced garden ecosystem, which includes pest control, improved pollination, and enhanced flavor and growth. So, let's explore some classic companion planting pairings and why they work. First up, we have the dynamic duo tomatoes and basil. This pairing is a garden staple for a reason. Basil repels pests like tomato hornworms and whiteflies while also improving the flavor of your tomatoes. Plus, they both thrive in similar growing conditions. Next, we have carrots and onions. This pairing is a masterclass in pest confusion. Onions, with their strong scent, deter carrot flies, while carrots repel onion flies. It's a win win because they're basically playing a game of tag with the pests. Next, we have a historical powerhouse, the Three Sisters corn, beans, and squash. This is a traditional Native American planting method that's incredibly efficient. The corn provides a trellis for the beans fix nitrogen in the soil for the corn and squash, and the squash leaves act as a living mulch, suppressing weeds and retaining moisture. Planting a Three Sisters bed or container is also great for smaller spaced gardens because it's a great way to maximize space. Last but not least, we have the very versatile marigold, which is a companion plant for pretty much everything. They release a compound called alpha terethiniol, which repels nematodes and other pests, but they also do attract pollinators. Marigolds also have a really pleasant smell, they're pet friendly, and they're also just really pretty and easy to save seeds from, so you can keep regrowing them year after year. These are just some examples of companion planting, but it's definitely worth giving a try, and you can always research other plants that can help each other stay pest free and grow well.